2 Foxtrot, make the left turn, but hold short, runway 1 left at Bravo. At 235 Las Vegas Tower, wind 34030, gust 38, runway 1 left, clear to land. Sheriff 359, connect to park, good day.
Echo Las Vegas, Cherry 4 and from Travel Airbus 321, wind 34029, air gust 38, runway 26 left, clear to land. Cylinder 29 Romeo Echo, numerous reports of gain and loss of 5 knots there at final.
1625 Las Vegas Tower, wind 34030, gust 38, runway 1 left, clear to land. At 2329, right turn at November, right turn on, actually just hold short, 1 right at November.
Hold short, 1 right, November, United 23.
Southwest 1548, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
So take up 1 right, Southwest 1548.
That's the 612 Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up wait, and report southwestern side.
T southwest, 5.8, 1 right, Alaska 612. Tower there,
1904, Sierra Las Vegas, Cherry 4 and Chalva Challenger, wind 34028, gust 38, runway 26 left, clear to land.